let's look at how easy it is to add a PDF to Whiteboard.chat so that your students can annotate on top of. So as you can see, my teacher board is on the left-hand side and my student board is on the right-hand side. So as a teacher, I'm just going to go over here down to the bottom to where it says Upload File. And you'll notice that I get a choice to upload it from my computer, or it will go to my Google Drive and I can upload PDFs that are stored in my Google Drive. So I'm going to go to my computer and I'm just going to grab this one right here. And I'm going to say Open. Now it will allow you to add up to a 30-page PDF to Whiteboard.chat. Now I do not want to have this second page because that shows the answers. I'm just going to click until I get it selected and I'm just going to say delete because I didn't need that page to show. Now you can see here's this board, here is the student board on this right hand side, and you'll see that it is no longer showing. So that is how you can add PDFs to your Whiteboard.chat for students to annotate.